Looking for BAIC Weiwang series vehicle resources and data? Come to this database. We cover the full AI lineup, whether imported or domestic. You'll find complete original factory details here. Well-gone organized categories. Rich, comprehensive resources. One-click direct access. Clear, accurate images. Plus, full maintenance solutions are available. Troubleshooting for both common and rare faults. If you can't find what you need, use the AI intelligent search. It helps locate content and site links. Never worry about missing vehicle data again.